Hello, how are you? My name is Milo, and I'm working here in the Philippines, and my work, mainly involved with the consultancy firm, carrying out all the BCMS and construction drawings so that they can upload them onto the BCMS system in Ireland. I have extensive experience and training on ICF houses, timber frame houses, and blockwork constructions. Normally, I received a set of planning drawings from them, and given the task to do the full set of the construction drawing, or received a sketch plan that will be converted to AutoCAD or Revit, and then carry out numerous construction details, and show all the compliance with the building regulations from Part A to Part M. For this demonstration, I will go through a traditional build, which is a solid block work, and also it will work on an ICF. In this presentation, I will show you an example of a two-story residential house on blockwork construction with timber frame roofing. What you see right now is site development plan, that will the layout of the entire site, including the building footprint, landscaping, and site features. They often include property boundaries, access points, and utilities, along with the perimeter fence details. The next image that you will see is the foundation plan. A foundation plan is a drawing that shows the layout, dimensions, and details of the foundation of a building. It is an essential part of any construction project, as it provides the basis for the structural design and stability of the whole structure. These images are the spot details of different types of foundation that will gonna be applied in the said house project. And next is the ground floor plan that provide a top-down view of each floor of the building. It shows the layout of rooms, walls, doors, windows, dimensions, and other features. And next drawing is the ground floor typical wall details, a specific drawing or diagram that illustrates the construction, materials, and assembly of a wall in a building project. It provides a comprehensive view of how different elements come together. And here is the first floor plan of the house. And here's the typical wall details. As you can see in the plan, we've shown the details at the windows, the thermal insulation, the thermal bridging, the corner details. If we're using extra term, which is now uniform, shown the DPCs at the corners and the way the insulation has to be shown, the extra ties that required under the regulations. Because in Ireland all of these details in the drawings are all uploaded onto the BCMS system, particularly where the wall ties are at the openings. There's a double wall tie where the wind and the cavity wall detail are, and external wall junctions. All this will be uploaded onto BCMS, and also given to the builder on site, to ensure that there is no ambiguity on the detail that is required. And finally, then we do the elevations, the openings for fire escape windows that are between 0.8 meter to 1.1 meter, as we do see the glazing we put in. And then next, we're up onto the roof. We take sections through the building, whether it be a cut roof or a truss roof. If it's a truss roof, it normally goes to a manufacturer, and we approve and draw on what's required. But you can see here we have the strap and details, the ridge, the roof light, etc. Again, all detailed up on the drawings, leaving no issue for mistakes. And the next sample are the sections. Sections are critical drawings that provide a vertical cut through view of a building or structure. They reveal the internal organization, spatial relationships, and construction details not visible in plans or elevations. In Ireland, they have consolidated guidance on fire safety provisions for dwelling houses that refers to a set of regulations and best practices designed to ensure the fire safety of residential buildings. Fire sensor layout plan and carbon monoxide co-alarm placement plan is crucial for preventing further damages and keep the safety of a house or a building by understanding local regulations, by proper placement of smoke alarms and carbon monoxide detectors. And next is the soil and waste fire protection. It is essential in ensuring that plumbing systems do not contribute to the spread of fire within a building. Implementing these measures will enhance fire protection in soil and waste systems, reducing the risk of fire hazards in buildings and to ensure safety in plumbing systems by Next is the TGD Part K of the Irish Building Regulations, a specific regulations for stair design to ensure safety and accessibility. There are key points on the stairs that need to consider, just like the width of the stairs that should be wide enough to accommodate the expected traffic, the measurement of the rise and go, the pitch, the landing, and the handrails that protect the person from falling. And for the last part is the TGD Part M. It focuses on access for people with disabilities and aims to ensure that the buildings are designed to be accessible and usable by everyone. These guidelines are essential for promoting inclusivity and ensuring that public and private buildings can be used by all individuals, regardless of their physical abilities. So when we're finished, we normally would have up to between 15 and 30 pages of drawings of BCMS. And these would accompany the BAR and the Part F and the Part L compliance reports, and they would be uploaded onto the BCMS system. It would normally take a week or thereabouts to do an individual house to the standard. Thank you a lot for taking the time to look at the video. Good day.